Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Introducing myself, I'm Nurul Ainun. You can call me Inun. I'm from Lucky Dende University, majoring in English, batch 2022. In this video, I will discuss a bit about character education in the millennial era. Please watch the video until the end. Character education in the millennial era is becoming increasingly important due to facing complex moral and ethical challenges in today's digital and global life. Through character education, millennials are to values such as integrity, empathy, responsibility, and honesty to shape individuals who are not only academically intelligent but also ethical in their interaction with the world. Character education in the millennial era is imperative in addressing the unique challenge posed by our rapidly evolving digital and globalized world. This form of education goes beyond traditional academic learning to instill core values such as integrity, empathy, responsibility, and honesty among young people. These values serve as the foundation upon which millennials build their personal identities and negative their interaction in society. In today's interconnected world where information flows freely and cultures intermingle, character education equips millennials with the moral compass needed to make ethical decisions. It teaches them to embrace diversity, respect differences, and uphold principles of fairness and justice. By emphasizing these values, character education not only enhances academic achievement but also cultivates qualities that are essential for building harmonious relationships and fostering a sense of global citizenship. Moreover, character educational empowers millennials to become proactive agents of positive change in their communities. It encourages them to take responsibility for their action, contribute meaningfully to society, and strive toward collection well-being by promoting ethical behavior and moral leadership. Character education plays a pivotal role in shaping a generation of individuals who are not only successful professionally but also compassionate and principled in their personal life. Therefore, in the millennial era, character education stands as a vital pillar of holistic development, equipping young people with the values and skills necessary to thrive in a complex and interconnected world while upholding integrity and moral responsibility. Character education in the millennial era focused on instilling values like integrity, empathy, responsibility, and honesty. It prepares millennials to navigate the complexities of a digital and globalized world by teaching them to critically evaluate information, respect diverse perspectives, and uphold ethical standards in both online and offline interaction. This education empowers them to take responsibility for their action, cultivate empathy towards others, and promote honesty and transparency in all aspects of life, fostering a generation of ethical leaders and contributors to society. The gap between reality and expectation regarding character education in the millennial era can be observed in several aspects. For number one, high expectation. There is a widespread expectation that character education can directly address the complex moral challenges faced by millennials, including in the rapidly changing digital landscape. For number two, inconsistent implementation. Despite awareness of the importance of character education, its implementation is often inconsistent across different educational institutions. Not all schools or institutions provide comprehensive character education programs. Number 3, complex contemporary challenge. Millennials face unique moral and ethical challenges such as online hate, political polarization, and difficulty distinguishing between fact and opinions on social media. Character education needs to be able to respond to these challenges in a relevant and effective manner. Number 4, expectation from technology. There is an expectation that technology can be a tool to strengthen character education, but there is also a risk that unwise use of technology can blur the ethical values being taught. Number 5, generational gap. Sometimes there is a gap between the values taught in character education and the values reflected in the everyday behavior of some millennials, indicating challenge in transferring these values from theory to practice. Overall, the gap between expectation and reality in character education in the millennial era underscores the need for continual evaluating and adaptation of character education approaches to meet the evolving needs of this generation. To address the gap between expectation and reality in character education in the millennial era, several solutions can be considered. Number 1, enhancing implementation. Government and educational institutions needs to increase commitment and consistency in implementing character education programs at all levels of education. This involves providing educate researchers, training for educators, and continuous monitoring of program effectiveness. Number 2, integration into curriculum. Character education should be integrated into the curriculum comprehensively, not as a separate add-on. This ensures that character values are not only taught theoretically but also implemented in students' daily life. Number 3, development of digital skills. Give the significant influence of technology in millennial life. Character educational should include the development of wise digital skills. This includes in understanding online ethics, managing privacy, and using technology for the common good. Number 4, collaboration with stakeholders. Strong collaboration among educational institutions, families, communities, and industries can strengthen character education. Involving all stakeholders can create an environment supportive of consistent development of character values. Number 5, human resources development. It's important to train and support educators in effectively implementing character education. Ongoing and in-depth training will prepare them to address complex moral and ethical challenges in millennial education. Number 6, continuous evaluation and adjustment. Continuous and flexible evaluation systems are needed to assess the effectiveness of character education programs. Continuous adjustment will ensure that the programs remain relevant and effective according to changing times and student needs. By implementing this solution comprehensively, character education in the millennial era is expected to be more effective in shaping ethical, resilient, individuals who are ready to face future challenges. So the conclusion, character education in the millennial era face the challenge of bridging high expectation with sometimes inconsistent implementation and complex contemporary issues such as digital ethics and general gaps. To address these challenges effectively, enhancing implementation enhancing implementation, integrating character education into curriculum, developing digital skills, fostering stakeholder collaboration, investing in educator training, and maintaining continuous evaluation are critical steps. By doing so, character education can better equip millennials with essential values and skills to navigate a complex world essential and responsible. That's all for me. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.